Hi, my name is Magaya and I've recently graduated from the Accenture Tech Apprenticeship Scheme.
Hi, I'm Naveen. I'm a Management Consulting Apprentice at Accenture.
Hi, I'm Harriet and I've recently completed the Master's Technology Apprenticeship in Accenture.
I initially found out about Accenture and their apprenticeship scheme through a week's work experience that my sixth form did through them. It was also highly endorsed by a couple of family friends that currently work there as well. Apprenticeships are a better choice than university, as you get a degree in digital and technology solutions without student loan, and also you have the opportunity to work on real-world projects. As part of the apprenticeship scheme, I've had the opportunity to work with large government clients on a data migration. As part of this, I've gained exposure to different types of technology and various types of working, and I've also been able to build a strong corporate network around me. When I first started in my role, I was chucked in the deep end. However, with the support network around me, I was able to get more comfortable in my role, which eventually led to the career progression when I finished the apprenticeship of getting promoted and also being a lot more comfortable in the role that I have now.
My parents were very supportive of me joining Accenture's apprenticeship. However, my teachers advised me to go to university, but I felt it was important for me to stay true to myself and do what I wanted. And I'm glad I chose my apprenticeship. I'm able to gain a Bachelor's of Science degree as well as other qualifications, work full-time and get paid a salary and not have any student debt. The positives I've experienced on being on an apprenticeship is being able to network and meet different people from all over the world. I find that in my group I'm able to go to these events with my friends and it makes it a less daunting experience. Accenture has many different communities. For example, I'm part of the Analyst Black community, and I find that it provides a sense of belonging, a safe space for me, as well as allowing me to be my true, authentic self.
I got introduced to Accenture through an ad that I found whilst I was looking for different career change routes into technology. I'd recently completed a small course in coding and wanted to find a route for someone like me who had a completely different set of skills. I was previously cabin crew, I'd done a bit of training in public services, and wanted to know what route I could take as a female going into technology. Some of the positives I've experienced since joining Accenture have been learning so many different coding languages. There's so many opportunities to train, develop. There's lunch and learn sessions, also the mentoring opportunities as well that you get with senior leadership. It's been a fantastic way to sort of open my eyes up to the different avenues and different routes within a career in Accenture and within technology itself. The advice I'd give for someone thinking about starting an apprenticeship with Accenture is to be bold and brave about it. It's a leap of faith, but if you don't take that leap of faith, you'll never know where you can get to. And I think you miss all the shots you can't take, so take this one. It's something I've done, and 2 years later, I'm more tech savvy and a lot more confident, and I can see my career is taking off in ways I never thought it could.